Hi everyone, in this new video, what we're going to learn about is this new function, the criteria operator from Lambda. So far we have like two ways to query XPO objects or use queries in XAF. One are link queries, and the other one is criteria operators. Criteria operators is kind of the old way because that was released like, I don't know, like in 2006, something like that. So it's kind of old. And then when Net Framework 3 came out, there was support for link queries. So now we have the mix of both. You can get a criteria operator from a Lambda, and there is also a way to get the Lambda from the criteria operator. But what we're going to do in this case is show this new functionality, like the criteria operator from Lambda. So for that, I have prepared a small example. So let me show you what I have here. First, this is a test project. I have the model, basically it's customers with a collection of invoices, and then the invoices contain invoice details, and also products. So a really simple ORM. Then in the unit test, I have like basically an in-memory data layer, and I just have one test here. Actually, in this case, we don't have any data, actually. I just want to show you how the Lambda expressions are parsed to criteria operations. So let's come and check it here. So this is the first case that we have. This is like a really simple case. So I just want to get the customers where the name is Hoche. So let's put a breakpoint here and let's debug this one. No, let's breakpoint in all of them already. So here and here. So let's debug this one. And see, here we have the criteria operator. I mean the Lambda expression, and then we'll have the criteria operator out of that. So here we have the criteria operator. The object is like built from the expression. And if you write it to the console, let me clear the console for that. Let me move myself around here. See, this is the criteria that was created. So now we'll create a product. And here, what we're going to do is like try to get the invoices where this product, the invoice detail where this product exists actually. I mean, or the invoice detail that contains this product. So here we have the criteria, and let's see it on the console. So here we have it. The other criteria operator that was created. So now let's do the next one. So in this case, I want to get the invoices where the invoice detail at least contains the product that I just created. So let's write that one. And this is what we have. So basically we're getting the invoice detail where the invoices where the invoice detail contains this product that was just created. So this is the criteria that is created from the expression. And then the last one is that I want to get the customers that have invoices where the invoice total is greater than 1,000. So then if we run this, we have the criteria again, and if we put it to the console, here we have it. So this idea is kind of neat because lately I've been using only link queries, but there is a little bit of a problem with that. Those are like kind of complicated to serialize and send it through the network. But in this case, basically you can have a link expressions, then convert them to criteria operators, and those are basically text in the end. Those are really easy to serialize. So you can just serialize them and send them to a REST API, for example. So I kind of really like this idea. And I like both ways, like when you do criteria operators from Lambda expressions and when you get the Lambda expressions from a criteria operator. Both are like, I think, like really good tools to have. So you can use also this in XAF, of course, because XAF is based on XPO. And also you can use it with the object space. I guess later I will do an example with XAF and object space. And I guess this should run for entity framework also. So maybe we'll do an example for that. So that's it for this video, guys. And I hope you're good and see you on the next video. Bye.